How to make money on Amazon. Being an Amazon associate is a way to earn passive income without having to set up your own Amazon business.
There are ways to make money on Amazon that don't require you to supply your own product at all.
In this video, you will see how to make money with Amazon and you will be paid instantly. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe now. One way to make money without selling a product or service is by joining Amazon's Associate Program. This affiliate program lets you create affiliate links for your favorite products and earn an affiliate commission whenever someone purchases from your link. Here's how the Amazon Affiliate Program works. 1. Sign up as an Amazon Associate. It's free to sign up and you don't need any money or product to proceed. 2. Get your affiliate link center set up. Affiliate link will be given to you after signing up. Remember to be sure of which kind of products or niche that will make money for you easily. 3. Find the products on Amazon you want to promote, then generate affiliate links for those specific products. 4. Promote your affiliate links wherever you like, but make sure you disclose that they are indeed affiliate links, per FTC guidelines. You can promote the links on different social media platforms so that you get people to purchase that product. These can be your friends, family or schoolmates and you can sell them all kinds of goods they are planning to buy. 5. Whenever people purchase items through your affiliate link, you'll earn a small commission for every sale. You can earn up to $800 per day accordingly. If you have many people purchasing through your link, you're more likely to make more money every hour. So, you have to share and promote your links as much as possible. You can have hundreds of affiliate links for products you like. You can share those links in various places online and make as much money as you want without having to manage any one physical product on Amazon. Check more videos on this channel on how you can sell your own products on Amazon. Subscribe now.